So before laser, I recommend you do these things to get the best laser results. It's possible to improve your results 30% or even more, so keep listening, I'll tell you how. Hi, this is Dr. Hobbs, restoring hope and health for lifetime family wellness. Now, there are ways to amplify your results and ways to blunt or minimize your results. First, we'll talk about the 4 things not to do. At the end, I'll give you just 4 things in total to do to start with, all right? So avoid foods or chemicals that kill neurons by overstimulating them or overstuffing them. The simplest way to do this is not eat, drink, or even buy packaged processed foods. I didn't say easy, I said simple. If you don't recognize the ingredient, it's probably not meant to be eaten. By doing this, you avoid the top 4 nerve-damaging things in food and drink. Number 1, excess glutamate. Glutamate is an excitatory neurotransmitter. That's good, until it goes too far. It's like redlining your car's engine until it explodes. The most obvious form is MSG, monosodium glutamate, but it comes masquerading with many names. For example, whenever glutamic acid is listed on a food label, the food always contains MSG. The trade name monosodium glutamate is sodium hydrogen glutamate. So the alternative names include glutamate, hydrolyzed protein, autolyzed yeast, and many more. All right, number 2, excess fructose or sucrose, which is half fructose, or really any excess sugar, even fruit sugars in excess. One reason for this is that small blood vessels and nerves cannot stop the influx of sugar. They keep pulling it into their cells, even when they're overloaded, as long as the blood sugar stays high. This creates a bloated, toxic, glycated cell that stops working or dies. So keep that blood sugar in check. Number 3, processed or GMO or non-whole grains. GMO may be a problem by itself, but the reason many foods are GMO is so they can soak them in pesticides or herbicides without killing them. But since you are not GMO, these chemicals can be harmful to you, especially your nervous system. All right, number 4, trans fats and excess omega-6 fats or oils. Your cells are made of these oils. If you get the wrong kinds, you build suboptimal machinery. That means hormones can't work right, nerves can't communicate efficiently, the immune system can't operate well, and inflammatory processes can more easily get out of control and promote degeneration and slow healing. In summary, avoid eating or drinking foods that overstimulate or overstuff neurons and blood vessels by not eating foods that are highly processed or packaged with ingredients you don't recognize, because they can blunt or minimize your results with laser. All right, now 6 ways to amplify or maximize your results. Number 1, essential fatty acids. This means salmon, cod, halibut, or sardines. These are omega-3 essential fatty acids. 2 to 3 times a week, or fish oil supplements. This provides the good fat your cells are made out of. The laser helps cells work better, harder, and longer. You need good fat to keep that cellular machinery working well. Number 2, antioxidants. Wait for it to stop shaking. Okay. Number 2, antioxidants. A greens or berries phytonutrient powder or a quality smoothie is the way to go. So these antioxidants damage the oxidation, the damage that our cells are always exposed to. All right. And the cellular energy apparatus is like a nuclear power plant. So these antioxidants help keep it safe. Number 3, vitamin D. Pretty much everyone needs at least 5,000 interactions of vitamin D, and many people need more. Number 4, magnesium. 500 milligrams a day is a good typical amount if it's a quality form, not a magnesium oxide. Magnesium critically decides cellular energy status and cell vulnerability. The vitamin D and magnesium are included in the multivitamin that I take and recommend. To learn more details about those supplements and my reasoning, text the keyword CORE4, that's C-O-R-E, and the number 4, no spaces. Text that to our office phone number. And finally, number 5, healthy gut. This is where you digest, absorb, and begin many immune and inflammatory processes. A healthy gut comes from good bacterial balance, good bowel movement and regularity, and a good balance of bacteria and healthy intestinal cells. The initial steps for a healthy gut include probiotics or live bacteria, fermented foods, and local, fresh, organically grown, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. All right, finally, number 6, exercise more and exercise for your mitochondria. Well, how do we do that? Mitochondria is where energy is made and where lasers have their greatest impact. The more mitochondria, the more benefit you receive. For more details on this, text the keyword BESTEXER. That's BESTEXER, like best exercise, but BESTEXER, to our phone number and get lots of great details on the best exercise. But simply put, exercise at least 3 times 30 minutes per week. So 3 times 30 minutes. So that's 90 minutes a week, ideally in high intensity intervals and resistance exercise. All right, that's it. 4 things to stop, 6 things to start to maximize your results from laser treatment and really from any treatment, even without any other treatment. Right? So this is what we call synergy. Multiple factors working well together for amazing results that you couldn't get from doing them just one at a time. Now, I promised to end with just 4 things to do. Here they are. 1, stop eating foods that are highly processed or packaged with ingredients you don't recognize. Number 2, take an awesome multivitamin that has vitamin D and magnesium and quality forms of folic acid, B6, and minerals. Number 3, exercise regularly. Number 4, eat local, fresh, organically grown, and a variety of fruits and vegetables when possible. All right, that's it. Take this to heart, apply what you can, and get the most results possible. If you want more information on laser, you can text the keyword laser to our office phone number to receive more information. If you'd like to make an appointment, give us a call or go on our website. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to help you out. All right, have a great day.